Okay, here comes to problems important part. So mainly it is important for 2 to 3 marks, CET and JEE NEET, and also other competitive exams. The accuracy point of view problems is very necessary. It is considered as important topic. So I solved 2 questions by taking accuracy. The very first one is the accuracy in the measurement of the diameter of hydrogen atom as 1.06 cos 10 raised to minus 10 m. We know the formula of accuracy in case of atom, delta d by d. Delta d means it is constant, 0.01 cross 10 raised to minus 10, and the diameter is already given. Solving, we got what? Yes, minus 10 minus 10, 10 to the power of minus 10, 10 to the power of minus 10 cancels, and 0.01 divided by 1.06 nothing but 1 divided by 106, and the option is B option. Second one, the accuracy in the measurement of speed of light. Here what they asked, speed of light is 3 cross 10 raised to 8 meter per second is, the options is given. So here we need to solve by using this formula. What? Delta C by C cross 100. Here percentage sign is given and it is formula 2. So we need to apply, by applying this formula, 0.01 cross 10 raised to 8 and the 100 can be written as 10 raised to 2. Here this one is constant, what we have written 0.01 cross 10 raised to 8 is constant, and the given term is speed of light. After cancellation we got 1 divided by 3%. Okay, now comes to third one. If the value of 103.5 kg is round off to 3 significant figures, how many significant? 3 significant figures, then the value is, and the options are given. See, observe here what the value is given, that to 3 significant figures. Yes, 103.5, and the last digit is mainly odd, that is 51. If the preceding digit is odd, then it should be increased by 1. We need to increase by 1. We can't neglect 0.5. So what may got? 104, because preceding 1 while having odd digit. Next, given m is the mass of suspended from a spring ring of constant force k, the dimensional formula for m divided by k to the power of 1 by 2 is as same that of what? Frequency, time period, velocity or wavelength. We need to solve this. For that we need to take the given term, the dimensional term, that is m by k to the power of 1 by 2. What it means? M means m to the power of 1, and LT is not given. We may take L to the power of 0 and T to the power of 0. K means, you may check by pausing before 2 minutes this video. M, L to the power of 0, T to the power of minus 1. After cancellation we got m to the power of 0, L to the power of 0 and T to the power of 1. Means T to the power of 1 means what? Yes, time period. We must solve this kind of problems by knowing just dimensional formula. We must know the velocity, speed and energy are 100 dyne, 10 to the power of centimeters second and 500 ERG respectively. The unit of mass, length and time are. Once again we read the question. Here the options are given. We know the dimensional analysis, physical quantities. By applying this, we got E by F is equal to L, n to the power of 0, T to the power of 0, L to the power of 1. So L is what? 5 seconds. L by V. V means L to the power of T to the power of minus 1, L to the power of 0, I mean to say. m means f divided by s, t to the power of minus 1. 100 divided by 5 cross 0.5 means we got, what option we got? Option B. Option B we got. Now, the velocity of light in vacuum they given is 30 crore they mentioned here. Okay. Then it is expressed in standard form up to 3 significant figures. Here the 30 crores we can write 30 cross 10 raised to minus 7. But we must observe the options, what they have given, what value they have mentioned here. In the option A, 10 to the power of minus 11 they have mentioned, 10 to the power of minus 6 micros, okay, 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of minus 10. Since it is crores, we get positive sign. 30 crore is equal to 30 cross 10 to the power of minus 7. That means we can also write 300 cross 10 raised to minus plus 6 crore they have mentioned, but it doesn't matches our given options, so we have taken 20 point. Before that we have taken 3.00 cross 10 raised to 8. Option C is the perfect answer. You must analyze my before 2 minutes video. You just note down some points there and remember formulas, dimensional analysis and physical quantities. That's it. It's very easiest topic in this first year PUC concept. All these topics it is very easy one. Okay, I think you get to know my 6th question. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me in my comment section. Definitely I will reply you. If it is helpful, then okay. If not, if you asked me to solve basics also, like dimensional analysis methods, it takes time, but still I will solve. Just mention me in my comment section and I will get to know. Thank you for watching.